Starting a limited liability company in Nebraska involves a series of steps designed to protect your personal assets and establish a clear structure for your business, combining the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. In this video, I'll walk you through the detailed understanding of each step involved. And by the way, if you would like to get help in starting your very own LLC in Nebraska, then make sure to sign up with Northwest Registered Agents by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. Plus, it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Let's start with choosing a name for your LLC. Every LLC in Nebraska must have a unique name that isn't already taken by another business. Your LLC's name must include Limited Liability Company or LLC to show it's an LLC. Before you decide on a name, use the Nebraska Secretary of State's business name database online to make sure your desired name isn't already in use. If you find a name you like and it's available, you can hold on to it for 120 days by sending in an application for reservation of Limited Liability Company name with a $15 fee. You can send this application through the mail to the Secretary of State's office. Sometimes, businesses use a different name for their day-to-day operations than their official LLC name. This is known as a trade name or DBA, doing business as. To use a trade name in Nebraska, you must register it with the Secretary of State by mailing in an application for registration of trade name or filing it online with a $100 fee. This step is crucial for branding and marketing, allowing your business to operate under a name that might be more appealing to your customers. Remember, the legal name of your LLC will be used for formal documents and tax purposes, but your trade name can be used for signs, advertising, and sales. Ensuring your LLC name is unique and properly registered helps establish your business's identity and legal standing in Nebraska. Next up, appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is someone who receives legal papers for your LLC if it gets sued. This agent can be a person living in Nebraska or a business that's allowed to work in Nebraska. The agent must have a real street address in Nebraska, not just a PO box. It's important because the government and other parties need a reliable way to contact your business. You can choose yourself, a friend, or hire a professional service to be your registered agent. Having a registered agent ensures that you never miss important legal notices. This role is a requirement by law for having an LLC in Nebraska. When you file your LLC's paperwork, you'll need to list your registered agent name and address. Choosing a reliable and trustworthy agent is crucial for the smooth operation of your LLC. Your registered agent's address will be public record, so consider privacy when making your choice. Then you have to file a certificate of organization. To officially start your LLC in Nebraska, you need to file a certificate of organization. This document doesn't have a standard form. You create it yourself or with legal help. It must list your LLC's name, address, and the registered agent's name and address. If your LLC offers professional services like accounting, you also list the services your members are licensed to perform. You can send this certificate by mail or upload a signed PDF online to the Secretary of State. The filing fee for this certificate is $100 plus $5 for every page of the document. Filing this document officially registers your LLC with the state government. Once filed, your LLC is legally recognized in Nebraska, allowing you to conduct business. This step is crucial for legal protection and establishing your business's legal framework. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays in your LLC's approval. Another step to take is to prepare an LLC operating agreement. While not required by Nebraska law, creating an operating agreement is a smart move. This internal document sets the rules for how your LLC operates and is agreed upon by all members. It outlines how decisions are made, how profits and losses are shared, and the roles of members. An operating agreement can help prevent conflicts by clearly stating each member's rights and responsibilities. It gives your business credibility and a framework for dealing with changes or disputes. Even a single member LLC can benefit from having an operating agreement for legal clarity. This agreement is kept with your business records and not filed with the state. Drafting this document carefully can save you from future legal headaches. It can be modified as your business grows and changes. An operating agreement helps ensure that your business operates smoothly and according to your plans. After forming your LLC, you have to comply with the publication requirements. You must announce it by publishing a notice in a local newspaper. This notice has to run once a week for 3 consecutive weeks in the county where your business is located. If your LLC doesn't have a specific business location, publish in the county where your registered agent is located. This step makes your LLC's formation public knowledge, a requirement in Nebraska. After the publication, you'll receive an affidavit from the newspaper, which is your proof of publication. You need to send this affidavit along with a small fee to the Secretary of State to complete this step. The cost includes a $10 filing fee plus $5 for every page of the affidavit document. This process ensures that your LLC's formation is transparent and accessible to the public. Though it might seem old-fashioned, it's a legal requirement that provides a public record of your LLC's establishments. Completing this step finalizes your LLC's legal requirements for formation in Nebraska. For the last main step, obtain an EIN. Now, every LLC with more than just one person needs an employer identification number from the IRS, even if you don't plan to hire anyone. This number is like a social security number, but for your business. It's necessary for tax purposes and for opening a business bank account. Single-member LLCs also need an EIN if they're going to hire employees or if they choose to be taxed as a corporation instead of a sole proprietor. Getting an EIN is easy and free. You can fill out a form on the IRS website to get your EIN. Once you submit the form, you'll get your EIN right away. This step is important for keeping your business and personal finances separate. It also makes it easier to handle taxes since your LLC is recognized by the IRS with its own identification number. Remember, there's no cost to apply for an EIN, making it a simple yet essential step in setting up your LLC. File biennial reports. In Nebraska, every LLC has to check in with the state every 2 years by filing a biennial report. This report is due in odd-numbered years by April 1st. For example, if you're starting in 2024, your first report would be due by April 1, 2025. The report keeps your business information up to date with the Secretary of State. It's a way to let them know your LLC is still active and operating. You can send this report through the mail or file it online, whichever is easier for you. The state will send you a form to fill out when it's time to file. There's a fee to file the report, which you will see listed on the form you receive. This filing is crucial for staying compliant with state regulations. Keeping up with these reports ensures your LLC remains in good standing, allowing you to continue doing business without any legal issues. To start an LLC in Nebraska, it costs $100 to file the certificate of organization, and if your paperwork has extra pages, it's an additional $5 per page. If you want to make sure no one else can take your LLC's name before you're ready, you can pay $15 to reserve it. After your LLC is up and running, you need to pay $25 every 2 years for filing a report with the state. This keeps your LLC's information up to date with the Nebraska Secretary of State. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your very own LLC in Nebraska. Taking each of these steps seriously and giving them the attention they need can make the process of starting an LLC feel less overwhelming. By breaking it down into manageable parts, you can focus on what's important, growing your business and making it successful. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in starting your very own LLC in Nebraska, you can sign up with Northwest Registered Agents by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. It doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Plus, they're professionals and they will be able to help you out. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time.